Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I thought I would share with you some cleaning products that I have found that are safe for me to use around Pandora. So I wanted to share those with you because if you have pets, and if you're anything like me, I am probably a little paranoid about what products I use around Pandora. I want to make sure that she's like my child. So I make sure that everything I use, if she is going to be in that area, those products that I'm using are safe. I do use products that are not safe to use around her in areas that she's never in, like the bathroom, the kitchen. She's not allowed in either one of those areas. If I have any like multi-surface type of products, I can use those in my bedroom. She's never in there. She's never in Spencer's bedroom. But any of the other areas of the house where she is at, I always use pet safe products. So I always look for something that is effective, works well, that sort of thing. So these products are ones, and I will share with you if I've used them or not, but the majority of them I've either tried or I have them in my cart on Amazon. I have links to everything down in the description box, so make sure that you check that out as well. And I also have written down the price for each of these products. So okay, to start off, the first one is from Bean and Lily. It's the floor cleaner. I have not tried this product. It is in my cart though. I do that. I add things to my cart, and then when I get paid, whatever I purchase, and anyway, that's how I do it. This product is $13.99. It is plant-based. It's gentle on skin and paws, like their little pads. They say it's effective on dirt, grime, and slobber. So I do deal with quite a bit of slobber with her being a Newfoundland. She's even starting more and more drooling. So this is a product I definitely want to try. It's just, it hasn't been that much of a priority because I only have 3 areas that aren't carpeted, and that is my front door, my kitchen, and my bathroom. So to buy a product specifically for a floor cleaner that's safe for Pandora, it's not a top priority because I do use my steam mop right now, which is where that's her favorite spot to lay, is at that front door. So right now I'm not technically using a floor cleaner. I just use my steam mop, and I just use vinegar and water in that. So it's just not been a top priority. Okay, the next one is the Puracy carpet cleaner. I used this when she was a baby. She's still a baby. I mean, she's only a year old, but I mean, when I first got her, she was 4 months old when I got her. So I used this when I got her because she was not potty trained when I got her. So I was prepared for accidents. So this is one of the first products that I had found that was pet friendly and safe to use around pets. And I purchased it from Amazon. So it's $15.99. It's a pet safe shampoo that can be used on carpet and furniture. It gets out urine stains, and it leaves a great scent, which I agree. It absolutely lives up to all of those claims. The next product is an all-purpose cleaner by Clean Republic. It's $7.99 or $7.95, sorry. It can be used on hard surfaces and upholstery. The ingredients are derived from plants, safe to use around kids too. I have not tried the Clean Republic all-purpose cleaner. I've heard great things about it, and it's actually been in a few articles I read in pet magazines. It's been recommended, but I haven't tried it. Obviously, vinegar and baking soda are safe to use, and I use those as you probably know from my other video on cleaning around pets, I use vinegar and baking soda. And those are safe. And you can get that off of Amazon as well as your local grocery store. Heck, you can get that at the Dollar Tree. So if you're looking for the most inexpensive things to use to clean around your pets, vinegar and baking soda is where it's at. Do not add any like essential oils. Essential oils can be toxic to pets. I don't know where you lie with essential oils, but essential oils are toxic to pets. The majority of them. Okay, moving on. Another one from the Puracy brand, which is the Puracy Organic MultiSurface Cleaner. I have this in my cart as well. It's $11.98. It states it can be used on glass, stainless steel, floors, countertops. It cuts through grease, grime, nose prints, and wet food residue. And it smells great. The Puracy brand does smell great, so I'm assuming that the MultiSurface Cleaner would smell just as good as the carpet cleaner would, but I have not used the MultiSurface Cleaner. I am interested in it though if it gets off nose prints, because that's another thing I battle, are new nose prints. The other one, the next product is something that I have recently added to my cart. It's $27.98, but it's for a 2-pack, and it's the 7th generation laundry detergent, and it's the Free and Clear, which would be good to use on the bedding, the blankets, harnesses, and if you have clothes for your pets. Now, I don't put clothes on Pandora. She would not like that at all. She has enough fur and stays plenty warm enough without clothing. So, but I do want to try that because I just typically use just vinegar in my washing machine as the washing liquid, and then I do sprinkle baking soda on top. Like I put the bedding or whatever in the washing machine. I sprinkle it with baking soda, and I use vinegar in the detergent place. You know what I'm talking about. Okay. The other products that are safe are Mrs. Meyer's products. And they smell great too, obviously. And I'm sure you've used Mrs. Meyer's, but that is pet safe. But you want to avoid anything that has ammonia, bleach, chlorine, formaldehyde, hydrogen peroxide, alcohol, phenols, and phthalate, which I know I said that wrong. Don't come at me. Those all can be hazardous to your pets. Also, anything with the phenol, Phenol, at the end of the word, or at the end of the chemical, those are also hazardous to your pets. And I know that we're all guilty of grabbing cleaning products to protect us and our families, especially during COVID, but most of the chemicals out there can sicken or even kill our beloved dog and pet. So those chemicals can definitely either make your pet sick or kill them. Just some tips when cleaning around your pets. Please make sure that you keep your pets out of the room when you clean. You want to keep them away from freshly mopped floors. If you use like the Lysol wipes or whatever, make sure that you throw those into a trash can that has a lid or has a secure top on them. Make sure also that you keep cleaning products in a secure place, just like you would children. Pets can get curious and get into bottles, especially if they're a smaller bottle or something. I know Pandora would be guilty. If she could, she would get a hold of something and run around and try to keep it from me, but then it could leak out and get in her, and that could make her sick or even kill her. So please be safe when you are around your children. I'm also going to, in the description box, will be the phone number for the ASPCA Poison Control Center. print that out, keep that on your refrigerator in case, God forbid, anything should happen. You have the number for a animal poison control center. Okay, that is what I have for today. And coming up in our next video, I'm going to take you along with me while I clean and organize my car. I know if my children are watching this, they've got to be very happy that I'm finally cleaning out my car. All right, everybody, have a great day. Bye-bye.